Okay, well, today I'm going to do the wood burning. It's been raining for the last four days, maybe. It actually snowed, which is pretty awesome. But so I've had everything under a tarp for a while, and now I'll get all that uncovered, and I'm gonna burn the wood, do that Shou Sugi Ban method, to hopefully give it a little bit more of a modern look. The shed is modern. The way I had to orient the wood in order to fit with the size pieces that I had, it looks a little country. So to sort of offset that country look, I'm hoping the wood burn will help. So also, while I have the door sort of unassembled, I'm going to trim up some of the OSB backing. Some of the welds are still kind of sticking up wherever on the corners and on the middle brace. They are making that siding sort of, or that backing pop up a little bit, and so it's not sitting flush with the edge of the frame. So I'll cut little kind of holes in the OSB backing so that everything will sit flush. And I'm also going to weld a tab coming off the edge so that whenever the door slides shut, it's going to slide into like a C channel, and then that way it'll have like a little tongue sticking out that I can run a lock through to keep it locked. So that's also what I'll be doing today, or at least I'll get it prepped for that today. Okay, well that's everything for the burning. Now I've got all the wood set up, just curing. Big long process. I thought that it was fun, but it was pretty labor intensive. The I found that the steel brush really dug in to, I guess, the soft part of the wood. I don't know, and will kind of leave marks. So I feel like those really hard, stiff nylon bristle brushes probably would make the best finish, because you're going to get like a smoother finish. That's what it seemed like. So I had a little small one of those that I was going over and making it a little bit more smoother. But I don't know. Hope you learned something. Thanks.